Hey guys, welcome back to another quick phone video. In today's video, do I have some amazing news for you, and exciting too at that. There's a new phone that finally has actually came out for Boost Mobile. This is the Moto G7 Play, guys. So as you know, Boost Mobile has a Moto G6 Play, but they just released the Moto G7 Play for Boost Mobile, and it's pretty exciting. I kind of had speculation that it was going to come out for Boost Mobile, and finally it released. So let's go ahead and check it out, and I'll tell you some deals that goes with it as well. So if we go into phones and go to Android, you will see that this phone is available now. So scroll down a little bit, and there it is right there. The Moto G7 Play. Pretty cool. No reviews just yet. It is available, which is actually crazy because I checked it this morning, guys, and it was actually sold out. That's how fast this phone's going. That's why I wasn't going to pick it up, but now that it's actually available, I'm going to go ahead and pick it up and unbox it and review it for you guys, because I know you guys love this kind of stuff, and I've been waiting and saving up money for this particular moment, so I can get a new phone and unbox it for you guys, because I know you guys love that kind of stuff. So let's go and see the phone specs first, and then I'll tell you about some promotions that are available with the phone. So you can see Moto G7 Play. So this phone currently is $150 through Best Buy. That's $50 off. I guess the original price is $200, but Best Buy has it for, I believe, $150 or maybe $200. Let me double check for you guys. Yep, Best Buy for $150, which is $50 off. But Boost Mobile, you can actually get it for $50. And I'll explain that more in a little bit. But like I said, let's get into some of the specs, since this is one of the newer phones that has come out to Boost Mobile. So it says, don't let the small size fool you. Moto G7 plays a performance powerhouse that leaves lag time behind. Wow. Stream content and use your favorite apps without freeze up or slow down, thanks to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 632. So pretty cool octa-core processor. So I would say it's decent mid-range, processor on here. So it's pretty nice. It does have a 5.7 inch Max Vision HD Plus display. Never miss a moment with a fast focus 13 megapixel camera in the back, and capture brighter selfies with a built-in flash in front. It all starts by unlocking the phone by just a glance. So it's probably gonna have facial recognition. Moto G7 Play. This is huge. So quick specs, like I said, 5.7 inch screen, which is nice. 13 megapixel rear camera. It's gonna give you a talk time of 32 hours, storage 32 gigabytes, guys. That's what I'm liking. Most phones have about 16 gigs, so I like that. Boost Mobile's finally getting away from the 16 gig smartphones and going with the 32 gigs, so this is the right direction for Boost Mobile, honestly. Android 9.0 Oreo, so another benefit of this phone. Does kind of remind me of an iPhone, at least from how the notch is, but overall, it looks like there's a lot of bezels around it. As you can see, it's not super, I would say, fitted. But oh well, it looks like it's a pretty chubby phone at that. So it's a thick boy. Look at that thing. Good Lord. And of course, iconic Motorola. Their cameras all look about the same. And I do like their iconic Motorola logo in the back. So overall, that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead. Down here, it says brilliant ultra wide Max Vision display. So like I said, 5.7 inch. It does have a 19:9 aspect ratio. Usually it's 18:9, but this one's actually a 19:9. Wow. Like I said, 13 megapixel rear camera using face detection autofocus. Wow. And captures your subject in an instant built-in flash with an 8 megapixel front-facing camera. That's pretty cool, guys. So 13 in the back, 8 in the front. Selfies turn out great even in low light conditions. Wow. You already know, if I get this phone, I'm gonna test out the camera quality. Now that I'm in my new house, I can actually take better pictures, have a big yard and all that stuff. So 40-hour battery with rapid charging. Wow, look at that. Another amazing feature, guys. For $150, it's honestly sounds like good specs, because you're getting 3,000 milliamp battery. It lasts a full day with a single charge, depending on how you use the phone. If I'm watching YouTube videos all day long, it's probably gonna eat up that It says when you're low on power, the 10-watt rapid charger gives you hours of power in just minutes. Wow. That's pretty cool, guys. This is what Boost Mobile phones should be like, not the crappy phones that they usually get. Not just Boost Mobile, everybody else like Cricket and Metro, even though they usually get a little bit better spec phones. But let's just look at some of the specs. This one does have 2 gigabytes of RAM. 2 gigs hurts me a little sometimes. I wish it was at least 3, but it does have 32 gigs of ROM with support up to external micro SD card up to 512 gigabytes. Like I said, Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 processor with a 1.8 gigahertz octa-core CPU and Adreno 506 GPU. Does have Pi, but that's basically the specs, quick specs there. So let's get into reading some of the promos that are available for this phone. So let me get my little handy dandy cheat sheet here. So guys, like I was saying, you can pick up the Moto G7 Play for just $50. You have to go to a Boost Mobile store. Make sure they have it. You're gonna have to have an unlimited plan, but you're also, of course, you're gonna have to switch your number over from a competing carrier that's not Sprint related. Yeah, like I said, this is nothing new. If you have AT&T, Verizon, Metro, Cricket, anybody that's not Sprint related, you can pick this phone up for just $50. That's amazing. That's a lot of savings there. From Best Buy, you're saving $100 there. So pretty cool. Like I said, you do have to have unlimited data. At least a 50 or higher plan. Also, what's cool about this is it says Boost Mobile customers on a monthly plan who have made at least 12 consecutive payments could qualify for the Boost Up, and for that you can get this phone for only $1 down. This is for current customers only. So Boost Mobile does have kind of like a loyalty thing with Boost Mobile customers where they can do Boost Up. So for $1 down, and then they will pay $8 per month for 18 months. So you can get this phone on payments if you don't have the $150 right off the bat. So that's pretty cool, guys. Honestly, let me know in the comments below. Do you think I should get this phone, review it, unbox it for you guys? Let me know. Because like I said, my whole studio is basically set up now where I can do all that stuff. So let me know. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. If you want to support me and give me a little tip, you can via my PayPal in the description below, or you can check out my #1 supporter that helps me bring these kind of phones to you, netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttled or capped, for only $60 a month. But if you use my link and promo code at checkout, you will save $5, guys. That promo code is Sanchez45973. All of that will be in the description below, so make sure you check that out. And like I said, look them up. It is an affiliate link, so if you get the service, I will get a little kickback. Like I said, that helps me bring more content to you guys. And if not, you can support me in with my PayPal in the description below. So thank you, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, share it, thumbs up, and hit that little bell notification so you'll be notified when I release more videos. Thank you.